Hi, I'm Dan Baird. I'm the Vice President of Molecular Discovery at Casma Therapeutics. Casma Therapeutics is a biotech company based in Boston that is specifically focused on pharmacologically drugging the autophagy pathway. I'm also one of the co-organizers of the upcoming Autophagy from Mechanisms to Therapies Keystone Conference that's going to be happening in Keystone, Colorado in February 2026. Well, a couple of things are going to stand out. Specifically compared to other autophagy conferences, we're going to have more industry presence than usual. I think between membrane dynamics and the autophagy conference, there's probably representatives, speakers at least, I should say, from 5 different industries interested, or biotechs interested in the autophagy field. The other one is that it's going to be joint with membrane dynamics. So this is the first time membrane dynamics has actually had a series. So I think I'm really excited about that because there's a lot of learnings that the autophagy field will be able to make from membrane dynamics. So people will be able to hear stories that they normally would not have been exposed to otherwise. The most important thing is we're talking about being able to be exposed to unpublished data. Okay, so not only do you have the ability to be the first one to see that, but you can speak with the authors who are generating that data. Probably the most important thing, though, for moving the field forward is the personal contacts and the networking that are going to take place that you can only have in an in-person setting, right? And, you can talk about science, but this also gives you an opportunity to have some of these informal conversations. And it's those connections that you build that are able to allow us to kind of come to new ideas or think of new ways of doing autophagy. So I think you can't move the field forward without some of these invaluable in-person meetings. Different people are going to attend for different reasons, and all of those are equally valuable. Maybe I can start with industry because I represent industry. I think people in industry who really want to get an understanding of which themes are emerging in autophagy, as well as talk to other companies that are working on it. That's a no-brainer for me. Those people should definitely come. The other key group, I think, are some of these early career scientists. And the reason for that is, as I mentioned before, it's extremely important that you build some of these connections with other people in the field. These are your future collaborators. These are the people that are going to support you. And being able to make kind of a personal contact with them is going to be absolutely essential to not only progressing this field, but progressing whatever science they're doing. Those are kind of the two groups I would think of, but beyond that, I think anyone who is interested in learning about the interface of autophagy with membrane dynamics is going to be essential to come to this meeting.